So to put these three scans into correct spatial position, we can use this function here, align by points. I'm clicking on it. And we have this new window where we have a base scan. It's the scan coordinates of which are not going to change, and to which we're going to align all other scans. I usually prefer to move this window over here just so that we have more space here. It's like three separate parts. So here is our base scan to which we add all others. Here is one of the scans, that's scan number 2, and there's scan number 3 that we have to add to this base. And here is a preliminary view that shows their current position. So in taking a base scan, I have to find common points of geometry between them. So let's see, I'm going to pick this point over here. It corresponds to this point over there. Let's say I'll take this point as my point number 2. And let's take something on the side. Let's say this point over here, 3. And when I'm going to click on this point over there, you'll see that the position of these two scans will change in respect to each other. Here's 3, and they are now more or less aligned. You shouldn't be super precise to do this, so you can see that there is a bit of a misalignment here. But these are just reference points, and this is okay. When you click Add Align to Base, Nest will mathematically fit them together in the best possible way and compensate for different mismatches, slight mismatches. So we have our scan number 3, although we have like the entire surface of the model covered, it seems. Well, we don't have some data over here. So we still have this scan. Let's add it to our model. Point number 1. Let's say I'll take this one as my point number 2. And I don't know, let's take this one over here, 3, 3. And you can see they fit together more or less nicely. Once again, there is a bit of a mismatch. And you can, of course, add additional point. Let's say I can go here and say, well, this point is in concordance with this point. So it can change slightly. Or I can add point number 5, for example, here. And you can see it's getting a bit better. But in most cases, there is no need to do that or need to put too many points there, because when you click Add Align to Base, it will make a best fit for you anyway. All right, so these two scans that we had are now aligned with our base scan. So all 3 scans are now in the same spatial position. So if everything is okay and we have no more scans, just click on Accept Changes, and you can see that the position of these scans are changed. So this is important to understand that what we're looking at right now is not the entire model. So if I switch priority mode, these are still separate scans, but they are now spatially oriented correctly. So if I click this scan, I can still see that this part is missing over here, this part is missing over here in the scan number 2, and our first scan missing like the entire part over here. But in combination of these 3 scans covers like the entire surface of the model. And we now ready to merge those scans together to create a final result.